Hello everyone, welcome to Accessible World Tutorials. My name is Raviteja. Hello friends, creating logo or making a video is very tough task for us because of our visual impairment. So if you make any logo or if you created any video, definitely we need to ask someone about the about the changes in the image or video. So in this video, I'm going to show you how to create a logo. Okay, how to create a logo and also video without going to any designer or any logo maker. So just using ChatGPT and Be My Eyes. Watch this video till the end, and if you not subscribe our channel as of now, just pause this video and click the subscribe button. And if you have any doubts, you can ask me in the comment section or you can WhatsApp me on 7731 879173. 7731 879173. Friends, now I will open a chat GPT, and using chat GPT we are going to create a logo for my website. For example, if I'm having a website of Ravi Dance School. Okay, it sounds good, right? Ravi Dance School. So I will ask the chat GPT to create a logo as per my requirements. Okay, so it become very interesting. Okay, I'm opening chat GPT.
Speech mode beeps. Speech mode talk. Start window. Search G. Google Chrome. App start cursor. Normal cursor. App restore pages. Question alert. Normal. X. Close button. Space. New tab dash. Google. System menu. Toolbar. Google search enter C. hat.openai.com. Select C. H selected. NI chat GPT document. Main landmark. Normal cursor. Section multi-line editable mess space. Blank. Section focus multi-line editable blank.
Okay, here I can type whatever I want. I'm in ChatGPT edit field, so it is also called message field. Okay, so here I can ask create a logo.
CREATE create a space LOGO logo space
Logo
as space
okay.
RAVI Ravi DANCE dance space SCHOOL school space.
Ravi Dance School. Okay, so I'm clicking enter on it.
ChatGPT is generating a response.
Okay, it is giving a
ChatGPT is still generating a response.
okay, it is generating the response. We will wait.
ChatGPT is still generating a response.
Okay, it is still generating a response. Okay.
ChatGPT is still you said colon. Heading create a logo as Ravi Dance School. Unknown cursor. Heading level 6 ChatGPT said colon. Here's a concept for your Ravi Dance School logo colon. Artist palette. Design idea colon. List with 4 items. Bullet A dynamic dancer silhouette in motion symbolizing energy and passion. Bullet elegant flowing. Bullet A vibrant. Bullet optional call out of list. I'll generate the logo now. Performing arts woman dancing. Button collapsed opens dialog show image.
Okay, so it is generated a image. Okay, I will open it.
Dialog close modal button close modal normal cursor button like image button dislike image button download it.
Okay, here option to download the image.
Button toggles graphic a stylish and dynamic logo for Ravi Dance School. The graphic motion symbolizing energy and passion. The text Ravi Dance School is written in elegant, flowing.
Okay, so we don't know how it is looking, so we will take help from Be My Eyes. Okay, so I'm opening Be My Eye application in my website. Okay, like in my desktop device.
Start window. Search win B. Be My Eyes app. Press right as B. Be My Eyes. Be My Eyes win.
I just opened
Describe
Be
my
My
screen.
Eyes. So here I'm clicking on describe my screen.
Describe my screen left parent.
It is describing the screen. Just wait.
Please wait. Be My AI is writing a message.
So just wait, I will change the requirements also.
The image shows a logo for quote Ravi Dance School. Quote the logo features an artistic depiction of a dancer in motion with flowing lines and vibrant colors, primarily in shades of red and gold. The word quote Ravi quote is positioned above the word quote dance quote, which is prominently displayed in a stylized font. Below quote dance quote, the words quote dance school quote are written in a smaller font. The design includes decorative elements like swirls and musical notes, adding to the dynamic and artistic feel of the logo.
See how much proficiently it is provided. So the background red and gold colors they have used in the image. So I will ask them to change the background. Okay.
Ravi Dance School logo dash Google Chrome row 1 column 2 screen sharing meeting Ravi dialog graphic mode no next edit field. No previous graphic A stylish and graphic motions blank main clickable section.
Okay, here I will write change the
CANGEJTAE space BACKGROUND background COLOR colors A space SS space BLUE blue space
blue and
and space HHIJT space white blank
white.
TEXE text space. ChatGPT is generating a response.
Okay, it is.
ChatGPT is still generating a response.
I will also ask
ChatGPT is still generating a
in the
response.
logo two people
ChatGPT.
dancing. Okay, one girl and one boy is dancing inside the dance school logo. Okay, so even I will ask that, then it looks good, right?
E out of clickable E selected.
Uh,
M unselected. PROVIDE space PICTURE picture as space 2 space
to
space 2 one space BOY boy and space 1 GIRL girls I is space DANCING dancing space INNTAELO logo space
wearing
AREEING space
wearing which color dress is good? I think red, yellow color.
YELLO yellow space DRESS dress. ChatGPT is generating a
The
response.
logo, I asked them to add two people
ChatGPT
are dancing with yellow dress. Okay, so let's see how it is generating.
ChatGPT is still generating a
Okay.
ChatGPT said colon button collapsed opens dialog show image chat here is the updated Ravi Dance School logo with a boy and a girl dancing in yellow outfits. Let me know if you need any adjustments. Clickable button read aloud. Clickable button copy. Click adjust Ravi Dance School here is the updated button collapsed opens dialog show image app dialog
Okay.
close modal button button close.
I will ask Be My Eyes, how is the image?
Be my eyes row be my eyes window question to ask feedback describe be my AI tab selected 1 of 2 level 1 please wait be my AI is writing a message. The image shows a logo for quote Ravi Dance School. Quote the logo features an illustration of a dancing couple with the woman wearing a flowing dress and the man in a matching outfit. The text quote Ravi Dance School quote is prominently displayed with quote Ravi quote and quote dance quote in a larger stylized font and quote dance school quote in smaller letters beneath it. There is also a musical note symbol to the right of the logo. App start cursor, normal cursor.
See, excellent, right? Uh, so this is the logo, okay, and you can also check the spelling of the Ravi Dance School. I will ask Be My Eyes, is the spelling is correct?
I is TAESPEEEELLING is space CORRECT. Correct. Please wait. Be my AI is writing a message. Yes, the spelling in the logo is correct. Colon quote Ravi Dance School quote.
Okay. Which color dress they were wearing? I will ask.
WHICH which COLOR color space DRESS dress CHEYA space WER were space WARING. Please wait. Be my AI is writing a message. The woman in the logo is wearing a yellow dress and the man is wearing a matching yellow outfit.
Great. So as per our requirement, ChatGPT created a logo. Excellent, right? So we don't need to go to any designer or logo designer to create the logo for our website or YouTube channel, whatever it is, or our offline dance school also. Okay. So I will ask, uh, convert the same logo as a video, like a moving video. so that people also will dance in the video. Okay.
Ravi Dance School logo dialog. Blank. Heading button collapsed. Clickable section. Multi-line editable message.
So I will ask.
CREATE create a space MOVING moving VIDEO video space
Video
as space MP4
as MP4. Okay.
MP4 ChatGPT is generating a response.
See, it will create a video also
ChatGPT is still generating a response.
with the same content.
ChatGPT says I currently can't generate videos directly, but I can guide you on how to create an animated logo video using free or accessible tools like $1 star Canva star left.
I will ask moving image.
Message ChatGPT. Out of clickable section multi-line. JUSE just space CREATE create a space MOVING moving space IAGE image. ChatGPT is generating a ChatGPT said I can generate a GIF for you to show motion in your Ravi Dance School logo. However, I can't directly create an MP4 file, but you can easily convert Chat the GIF to MP4 using online tools or software like.
It will create a video, but not MP4. Okay.
Would you like the dancers to dance animation? Clickable button read aloud. Clickable button copy. Clickable.
Yes.
Yes. ChatGPT said heading.
So in the video, the dancers will dance.
I'll generate an animated GIF of the ChatGPT is still Ravi Dance School logo with a simple motion effect. Give me a moment. Performing arts woman dancing movie camera. ChatGPT is still generating. I'll create a moving GIF where the boy and girl appear to be dancing slightly. Let me generate that.
Okay. In the video, the boy and girl will dance. Okay. You will see. So see, we need to spend a lot of money to create like these type of logos, but ChatGPT is creating for us for free. Okay. So if you really like this video, please click the like button. Don't forget to share this video with all your friends, because this video will help to even sighted people and also visually impaired users.
Now, clapperboard woman dancing man dancing. I currently can't generate tools like list with 4 items 1. Can 2, Adobe 3, ESGA 4, CapCut out of logo question movie camera woman dancing. Clickable button read aloud. Clickable but click logo with the list 4 ESG 3 Adobe 2 Canv 1 out of list tools like I currently can't generate GIFs directly, but you can create an animated version of your logo now. I'll create a moving GIF where the Ravi dance. I'll generate an anime heading level 6 chat GS. Heading level. I'll generate an animated GIF of the Ravi Dance School logo with a simple motion effect. Give me a moment. Performing arts. I'll create a moving GIF where the now clapperboard. I currently can't generate tools like list with 4 items 1. Can 2, Adobe 3, ESGF left parent 4, CapCut and out of list logo question movie clickable button read aloud logo question movie camera woman dancing. Clickable button copy. Clickable button good response. Clickable.
Just
CREATE create ChatGPT.
Just create. Okay, it will create for us.
ChatGPT said I'll generate an animated GIF of the ChatGPT is Ravi Dance School logo now. Performing arts woman dance. Currently I can't ESGF, Canva or Adobe. If you want into a GIF, you clickable button read aloud.
Friends, I think maybe some technical error. Definitely it will create a video, because already I tried with my logo. Okay, you can also try, and please write in the comment section if you are unable to create a video. Sorry for the inconvenience. Maybe due to some technical issues, it is not providing as of right now.
ChatGPT, I'll generate Ravi Dance School logo now. Performing arts woman dancing. Give me a moment. Currently I can't ESGF, Canva or Adobe Express to animate your existing logo. If you want, I can provide multiple frames left parent, slightly different logo variations right parent to a GIF using a clickable button read aloud.
Yes, please.
Clickable.
I will ask yes, please.
YESYESTLEASE. Please chat G.
Okay, it is saying it cannot provide direct the same logo, but
ChatGPT is still generating a response.
different logo.
ChatGPT said I'll generate Ravi Dance School logo with slight variations to create an animation effect. You come into a GIF, use ESGA for similar tools. Give me a moment. Button collapsed opens dialog show image. ChatGPT is still generating. Here is one frame of the animated Ravi Dance School logo to create a GIF list with 2 items 1. Generate 2. Music. Gen 1 out of here is 1. Button collapsed opens dialog show image.
Okay,
Dialog. Close modal button. Button close modal button. Like image button. Dislike image button.
Animations. Okay, it is created. Okay, but it is not directly created a MP4 video, but it provided. But you can also try. Definitely, it will create a video, because already I tried with it. Okay, so this is all about our video, friends. If you really like our video, please click the like button, and don't forget to subscribe our channel, because many of you people are watching but not subscribed as of now. So please subscribe for important videos and tutorials. I will also provide some like income generated videos also. So thank you very much. Bye bye.
The My Eyes Roll screen sharing meeting control mute. Currently unmuted. Alt plus A button.